Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to add your own business to TripAdvisor. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official tripadvisor.com website right here and log into your account. If you do not already have an account guys, you can go ahead and create an account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can enter on the site, such as hotels, things to do, and so on. So guys, if you scroll down a bit, you can see multiple options that you can use for like searching the site, you can read articles and so on. But guys, what we want to do to be able to add our place right here, our business, is we have to register as an owner. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and scroll down all the way down till the end of the page. Here you're going to find this section right here called About TripAdvisor, and here is a section called Do Business With Us. So under Do Business With Us guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click on the Owners option right here. Go ahead guys and click on Owners. And after clicking on owner guys, now this will bring you to this new page where you can go ahead and search for a restaurant or your place or whatever you want to find. So what you want is you're going to go ahead and claim the free TripAdvisor listing. So I'm going to go ahead and enter any location right here. You can enter whatever you want right here. I'm just going to enter a random place in my city, and right here guys, after clicking on the restaurant, you can see that now we have the option to claim our free listing. So what we want to do guys is go ahead and click on claim your free listing. Clicking on that guys, now this will open up this new tab where you'll be able to put in your info to confirm you're the owner. So this is just the first page. After you leave this first page guys, you can go ahead and click on continue. Let me select our role in business. I'm going to select the owner, and after clicking on that guys, you can go ahead and click on continue, and that will bring you to the next page where you will be able to go ahead and put in your info that confirms that you're the owner. You'll have to submit pictures and documentation and so on, but after that guys, after you're finished, you will successfully confirm you're the owner, and then you will own the business on the site, and you will be able to respond to reviews, to edit your info, and so on. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.